Alright. This is up in the right hand corner of the screen close up. So it's way up off the ground, up in the corner, and I've got a close up on it. I do. You saw it in the beginning, so what I did was I zoomed in, enlarged the screen, zoomed in. So we've got one moving thing still. And I'm thinking I'm in that geographic location of the screen still. It's very dark. Very dark. If it was, we'd be down toward the pond where the light is, but we're not. So I just slid the screen over. The light's not going up and down, so it's no one walking. It's not swinging back and forth, so it's not acting like it's in anyone's hand. Look at all that distortion. Yeah, this is quite unusual. For a little bit. Oh, a little too much. Okay. Pull back. Okay, that one has disappeared. Pull back a little more. Alright. I'm going to go all the way over. See if I see anything. Nothing. I'll go back. Alright. It's not doing anything. I'm going to pull out. Make sure I'm where I think I am. Yeah, pretty far away.